I tried Sarwa Invest app USUK Access app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. Most people think investing internationally is complicated and only for the wealthy. But what if I told you there's an app that gives everyday investors in the Middle East access to US and UK markets in just a few taps? That's what Sarwa promises, so I tried it for 7 days, and what I found was shocking. Day 1, I opened my account, and was surprised by how fast the process was. Within minutes, I could access both US and UK stocks, ETFs, and global portfolios all from one clean dashboard. Sarwa automatically suggested an investment plan based on my goals, risk tolerance and timeline. No financial jargon, no confusion. By day 3, I tested their fractional share investing feature. Even with just, I was able to buy pieces of global giants like Apple, Amazon and Unilever. This made global diversification simple and accessible. Midweek, I explored Sarwa's Auto Invest option, and that's where things got interesting. The app automatically invests and rebalances your portfolio based on market changes, something most beginner investors forget to do. By day 7, I had gained more than just portfolio growth, I had peace of mind. Everything from performance tracking to dividend reinvestment was seamless. The shocking truth: most people overcomplicate investing abroad. Sarwa simplifies it so anyone can start building international wealth safely and smartly. If you've ever dreamed of investing in US or UK markets but didn't know where to start, Sarwa might just be your best entry point.